geometric sequence. Part 3. In the previous videos, the first one, we have learned our nth term or general term of the geometric sequence was this, and we had an example where we had 36 minus half of n minus 1. Still going to use the same example. And on the second video, we learned how to find T3, how to find T100. Please check out those videos. In this video, you're going to learn to find n. So basically the question would be find n if Tn is 9. Okay, find n if Tn is 9. So you're going to use the same sequence that you had on your previous video. The sequence was, let me just go back and check, 36, negative 8, and 9. 36, negative 18, 9, I mean, you can already see the answer of n, but I'll share that with you when we are done calculating it formally, but you can already see the answer in the sequence here. So let's do that. Let's calculate n. So we've given Tn is that, and we've discovered that Tn is that. So discover Tn is equal to 36 half n minus 1, and Tn is 9, so 36 half n minus 1. So you're going to divide by 36 on both sides. So if you take your calculator, 9 over 36, and say 9 over 36 for the left hand side, you're going to have 1 over 4, and then 36 and 36 cancels, and then you have negative half n minus 1. Okay, and yeah, and then from here we can use your knowledge about sequences, not really sequences, algebra, right? Your knowledge about algebra says that if you have a power x is equal to a power 2. Now if the bases are the same, then the exponents are equal. So you have b power y is equal to b power 4. You see the bases are the same. This is b, by the way. Bases are the same, then the exponents are equal. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to make sure these bases are the same. In fact, we're going to change this to look like that. And we know, we can actually do that. We know that 1 over 4 is the same as negative, let me just write with this color, the same as negative half power 2. You can punch it in your calculator, negative half power 2, and I get is 1 over 4. So what we did here, we just made these bases to be the same, negative half, negative half. The bases are the same, then what you're going to do, you're going to equate the exponents. So you're going to have 2 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is, take n, put the other side, n is equal to 3. That's your n. Your n is equal to 3. This is awesome, right? And we can tell already from here, because this is your T1, this is your T2, this is your T3. Your n is, when your 9 is on the third position, which is 3. That's why our n is 3. That's why at first I said you can already tell that your answer is 3, or you can already tell your answer by looking at this. So yeah, that's how you do it, and this is awesome.